Hello everyone. By now most of you already have guessed why we both are together.
Yes, your guess is right. We are back with D for Data Center Season 2. Let us start with same style but with new energy.
So, this is Nitin Manwani.
And this is Pranav Shah.
Together we bring you all new season of
D for Data Center by MSP TV.
Before we begin new season with a new topic, let us have a look back at the previous season. What we have covered so far and what some of you have missed it, or you want to recap about the particular topic, you know which episode to watch.
In the previous season, in our 12 episodes, we covered from introduction of data center to 3 key steps in planning a data center. Then we shared about micro data center for edge computing, and we also showed you the actual micro data center with our virtual demo. Then busted the top 5 myths about the data centers and provided you the facts.
Later we shared a top 6 feature of next gen data center and 5 ways to reduce data center operation cost, and then we moved to share 5 advantages of multi-tenant data center for enterprises, 3 primary types of data centers, and also shared insights from standard expert on data center sustainability. Then we shared about data center management and its future.
Well, this was about previous season. Now let us move to this season and what we have for you. New season is about data center design, planning, execution and management in detail. After watching the complete series, you will be able to execute the data center project successfully.
In the planning, we will be covering site requirement, ideal site for the data center setup, space requirement, considering a load requirement, space for installing electrical panels, UPS, batteries, power distribution and cooling units. Load sizing, in which we will be share a template to calculate your load. Load sizing will be the first and important parameter of data center planning, which will help to size the power requirement and the cooling requirement.
We will be covering all products required in the data center in detail. Flooring. What is importance of false flooring and what products are available in false flooring. We will provide comparison to select right product.
Networking will be providing a complete guidance on network cabling for underfloor and overhead network laying. Power requirement. We will cover all the power requirements type of UPS available in the industry with a redundancy solution, modular solution, UPS with a lithium battery. We will be covering how to select the right UPS to line up your requirement.
Cooling requirement. We will be covering all cooling solutions available in industry. Cooling is very high energy consuming component in the data centers. So we will provide a complete guide for precision cooling, gas-based, chilled water and in-row to save your operational cost. Electrical power. We will provide complete guidance on input power source, selecting cables, breaker sizing and termination of main electrical panel.
Racks. We will covering all the racks available in the industry. We will guide for selecting rack for servers, networking equipments and telecommunication equipments. Power distribution. We will be covering the distribution at the rack level and each component level. We will guide you to selecting basic, meter and switch PDU. Selection as per the criticality of load. Access control. Data center is one of the secret place for all enterprises. So we will provide a complete information about selecting access control to avoid unauthorized person entry inside the data center.
Safety is the most important aspect in the data center and no person is available inside the data center. So we will provide a complete guide for selecting the right fire detection and aspiration products. We will be covering important emergency exits to save human life in an emergency. We will be covering all IBMS products like water leak detection, rodent repellent system, temperature and humidity sensors to avoid downtime in the data center, installation, commissioning and testing for data center infrastructure products and IT hardware.
We will be covering maintenance tips, security tips and daily manageability, available option to check functionality of entire data center operation. We will be covering interview with the industry experts and a principal. So D for Data Center series will be having multiple episodes. One of our subscriber by name Virtual Tech Box requested to us to make a video about different tiers of data centers and key points in rating those tiers, and also which body or agency gives the rating certificates. So we will be covering that also in upcoming video.
In short, this season will be step-by-step guide of building a data center.
Well, that is it from us for this episode. If there is a particular topic about data center or that you want us to cover in upcoming videos, or any suggestion to make our content more interesting, please feel free to share in the comment section or send email to us at info@msplgroup.com.
You can also connect with us on Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn for the updates, and don't forget to visit mspwebstore.com for power backup solutions for home, office and also for accessories and parts of data center.
Thank you for watching this video till end. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. This is Pranav
And Nitin signing off. See you soon.